Breast cancer is the most invasive cancer among women. It has affected millions of women worldwide, causing not just scientific problems, but also societal and family complications. Breast cancer's treatments vary from person to person. Breast cancer is not a unitary disease. It is a multiple disease that results from the combination of diverse types of cells that tend to become malignant. Studies have shown that breast cancer is one of the most common cancers for female in the US. During the year 2000, the death rate for breast cancer patients was considerably lower. This is due to early detection through screening, increased awareness, and also improved treatment. Thanks to the advanced technology and motivated researchers, breast cancer treatments have improved to a point where breast cancer can not only be cured but prevented. Breast cancer has a predictable prognosis and also different treatment depending on how the tumor is developing. It also depends on the risk factors that the woman has. The treatment of breast cancer includes getting rid of the disease and preventing it from coming back. Because of the advanced technology, breast cancer specialists now use surgery, radiation, hormone therapy, chemotherapy, and targeted therapy. One possible way to detect cancer early is through DNA tests. DNA tests can determine if there's any presence of the cancer gene. Clearly, there are many research studies taking place in scientific laboratories. All these improvements are based on the application of technology to find the origin and cure of breast cancer. Another way to detect cancer is through man's best friend. In our urine, dogs are able to detect E. coli bacteria that is related to cancer. Institute Foundation comments, "We have successfully trained dogs to identify urine containing E. coli, the bacteria that causes a certain type of urinary tract infection, and to distinguish these samples from healthy urine samples." There are discoveries made yearly with the hope of finding a cure, not just to breast cancer, but to also apply these methods to other types of cancer. Outside factors like environmental concerns have been the greatest reason why researchers are doing hands-on work to find out different origins of cancerous cells. Breast cancer fundraisers have drastically helped patients with breast cancer by keeping their unmet needs attended through funding and services. After noticeable decreasing death rates in breast cancer patients, organizations and researchers started to convert the concept of breast cancer from a deadly incurable disease into a hopeful treatable illness. Through the use of innovative medical machinery and equipment, doctors are able to early detect breast cancer and therefore prevent future developments of this illness in patients. There is always hope, there's always ways to improve or to change, and breast cancer has become the hope of many women around the world.
Created using Powtoon.